It's time to get up. Huh? Oh, what's going on? It's time to get up, dude. Oh, am I late? Of course you're late. How late am I? Stop asking questions and go and fix your hair. Ah, fine. See you later. You're early. You're here early too. Yeah, man. Yeah, I sucks. It's 12:10 in the morning. I mean, it's almost afternoon. Yeah, but it's kind of early. Yeah. Don't be surprised why the others are here as well. The others aren't here. At least they get to enjoy themselves at home for a little bit. Do you want to have a practice match, Yoshi? Sure, I have enough, energy to do it. Okay then, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now, yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, Yoshi. Yeah, yeah. Ah, ah. Oh, yeah. Look. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh. Stabbing battle's gonna take forever. Do you want to do like a spark match? Sure. Man, got it too early, huh? Oh, hey guys, what are you guys doing here? Hey, look, it's Ryu. Huh, Ryu? Oh, what's up? We're just trying to do a practice match. How do y'all even do this? Like, it's like 12 something in the 12 something. I know, but uh, she told us to be here about that time. I don't know why. Yeah, well, we won't have any matches anytime soon. You know, I guess it's too early. I think it's raining outside, so I came out here. Oh man, heck yeah, it's raining outside. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really immune to it, but it's annoying. Yeah. Well, what are you guys about to do? We're just about to do a trading match, like a stock. Hey, you wanna join? Sure. Okay, let's start it then. Would you look at this? It's raining. Huh? Ah, no. Hello, lad. I can't believe it's raining today. Yeah. And the moon's still up. Yeah, well, I had to go, Yes. Well, we have to hurry, because there's going to be a storm. Oh, shoot. Well, I'll see you folks later, lad. Oh, see you later. Why? I'll see you folks later. Okay, now that he's gone, we have to hurry. Okay, well, let's go. Ooh. 2, 1, go. Yeah. Rah, nosh. Yeah. 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 Yoki. Show you guys. Yeah. 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 What? Yeah. 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 Oh. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Alright, come on. I'm not gonna lose. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing. Yeah. 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 Now. Yeah, here, show you good. Yeah. Smash ball. Oh, come on. Yeah. 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 So you got oh, phew. Man, I'm alive. Here. Here. Oh, what the oh. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. 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 Come on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. 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 Sure you can. Come on. Shoot. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Sure you. Ah. Sure you can. No. Yes. Sure you can. Yeah. No. Sure you can. Yeah. 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 No. Yeah. God, I have to run. Yeah. Yes. Hush. Sure you can. No. Yeah. Come on now. No, I have to take it away from him or do something. Yeah, I do can. No. Game. Man, though I came in last place, I actually feel better now. Yeah, I'm not tired anymore. Yeah. Well, 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 what do you guys want to do now? Maybe we can, let's just, maybe we should meditate or something? Sure. Because I got my brother's stuff. Yeah, I can actually use meditation. Are you guys actually serious? You guys actually meditate? Of course we do. I mean, my dad does it all the time, so I thought, why not? I do it. I do it sometimes. Sure. Okay, then follow me. Man, it's too early for this. Hey there, Fox. Well, you're here early too. Yeah, I guess the whole team's here early. Man, I am tired too. Well, since the rain cleared up, they're gonna match today's matches. Hopefully no one's tired. Okay, fine. Oh, man. It's like something in the morning. Yeah, I mean, it is afternoon now, by the way. Well, that's okay. Time just fly by, so it should be 1 o'clock, and we should all be not tired by then. Yeah, but now, man. Yeah. Wow. I think today's match is Shulk versus Inkling. Oh yeah. Well, good to know, Fox. See you later. Just the way it cleared up the first match today is Shulk versus Inkling. Well, alright. Let's do it. Next slash. Yeah, watch out. Box slash. Oh. Yeah. Back. Oh. What should I choose? Smash is the way to go. Come on. Yeah. 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 No. Slash. No. Okay, I'm gonna win. Yeah. No. Backslash. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Oh, I nearly ran right into it. Take that. No. Backslash. Smash. Huh. Huh. Backslash. Yes. Alright. Ah. Backslash. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Yes. I need it. Backslash. Ah. Ah. Yeah, alright. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. No. Now it's showtime. Smash. What are those things? Huh. 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 Buster. Huh. What? That did so much damage. Whoa. Yeah, Buster is definitely the way to go. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. 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 Yeah. Game. So clean. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ha ha ha. Alright. Hey, you. Hey. Oh yeah. What's wrong? You are totally amazing. It's a great match, you know. Oh yeah, thanks. Well, I guess you did too. So give it up for this young lad right here. What the? Thank you. Oh, no problem. Well, I'll see you later. Next match. Ryu versus Dark Pit. Alright. Yeah. 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 No way. Okay, got this. Yeah. Sure you can. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I can't even hit this guy. Oh. Come on now. Yeah. 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 You can. Yeah. Hadouken. Hadouken. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. 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 Next shock. Yeah. Here. Sure you can. Yeah. Here. Sure you can. Yeah. 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 Shuke. Yeah. 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 Come on. Yeah. Yeah. I got him. Yes. Yeah. 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 No. Yeah. 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 Oh, you guys. Yeah. 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 Ah! Are you kidding me? This was too easy. Alright, third and final match of today is Samus versus Greninja. 1. Go. Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ninja. Yeah. 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 Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Earth. Hmm. Yeah. Ninja. Yeah. 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 And ninja. Yeah. Ah. No. Ninja. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Well. Yes. Yeah. 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 No, no, no. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. No. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. No, no, no. Oh. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Oh. Hmm. Oh. Ow. Oh, come on, I missed. Oh, come on, he's just too fast. Yeah. 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 Oh. Yeah. 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 Hmm. Yes. You missed. Yeah. 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 Ah! No, wait. What the heck? What? Oh man, that was a great counter, but it won't. Yeah. 1-1. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. 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 Ninja. Yeah. Oh. Come on, this match. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Ninja. No. Oh no 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 no. Oh. That was. Come on, that was my only hope. Yeah. Yeah. Ninja. Yeah. No. No no no. Yeah, come on. It's not that hard. Yeah. Oh. No. No. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. No. Ah. Summer swings. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Some reason I don't feel tired anymore. Oh, hey there, Mario. Huh? How long have you been? How long have you been here, Ryu? About like I don't know, like for 1 hour. I've barely been here for like I don't know about. I've only been here about for 50 minutes. So I was about 7 minutes late. Yeah. Man, we're complaining about how tired we were. That's what I was doing. I don't know why she brought us here. I know, right? Yeah. Look, I came in time to watch enough matches. Yeah, you sure did. Mega Man and them came. I saw them on the way. Oh yeah. Well, I'll just see you later. Oh, great, it's raining. Why is it raining all the time? I know, right? The day just... they just kind of sucks, doesn't it? Yeah, sure does. Well, looking for you, you have a zero suit. Well, you have your suit on, so it doesn't really matter. Well, my voice has just changed. I know. It really has. Yeah, I guess it's just getting deep. Well, I'm 15 years old anyway. What's wrong with that? Oh, see, the thing is, I'm 15 years old too. Oh, I already knew that. Oh, why? What's wrong with you? Yeah, I see you guys like, wait, lad, what's wrong? Yeah, is there something wrong with me? No, it's nothing bad, but I didn't know you're 15 years old. I thought you were like 20. Oh, uh, you know what they say. I'm called the young lion, so, you know. Yeah, well, he is a technically older than me. His birthday is like March something. My birthday's October. Oh, well, I'll just see you folks later. You are involved into a triple match, are you guys? Yeah, well, Ryu and Samus and me are involved. Well, I'll see you later, lad, so I can get out this stupid rain. Yeah, well, see ya. Why does it take 3 times for me to just leave? I want to leave. Oh, well, see you later, folks. So, I'll see you later, Sims. And good luck on your match tomorrow.